Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series. In our previous episode, we have designed two more sections on our home page. Here, this My Guarantee Pay section and this the call to action section. Then next section is this gallery or project showcase portfolio section. And here in this template, they are using the simple image widget. This is simple image widget. Okay, they do not even enable the pop-up like box. So okay, let's just follow this layout and replicate this. And if you want different layout, and if you want to try different widgets, yeah, you can contact me, comment below, and before on the next episode let's try different one. Okay, here this is also a two column section. So let's just copy this section and paste it here. My work. Okay, and delete this. Lower some text. Okay, then image widget. I do not have any other images, but yeah, let's look for few sample from unisplus.com, few placeholder. Graphic design. Okay, let's use this as the placeholder. Medium. Okay, and if you want to upload this image in WebP format, you can go to here, Pixlr editor, open the image, yeah, save it, Control S, then WebP format, download it again, project sample. Okay, this is just a placeholder image. Instant media. Okay, sorry. Then by default there is no link. If there is no link, then there won't be any like box pop up. And here there is this hover effect. Apart from this hover effect, there is nothing else. So go to style, hover animation, push, it doesn't float. Yeah, float one. This is the one. Okay, then duplicate this just like that, copy this, paste it here, paste it here, okay. Then another lorem text, copy this, paste it, then button, okay. View my other works and link to our here portfolio page. So let's insert a button here, icon, right, view my other works, okay, view my other works, and then link this to portfolio page, okay. Style, then the background color, make this transparent, then the font color red, okay. View my other box, then remove the padding, okay. View my other box, then hover animation, float, okay. Oh, okay, this is the one, oval horizontal, okay. And here the space, the gap between these images are uniform here, the between the gap between the these vertical gaps or horizontal gaps are all uniforms. To make this uniform, you have to go to the section setting and column gap narrow, still there is too much gap here, or I think there is this padding here on this, oh yeah, margin on this 50% margin here. When we copy it from the above section, there is this padding inherited, so remove this all paddings and margins, then go to section setting again, extend it, there is little more white, yeah, that's enough, yeah. Column gap white, yeah. Just like that. Then the next section is this related, associated, or brands. For this, let's insert a one column section like this, vertical align, middle, padding about 50 at the top, 50 at the bottom. Background color black, gray. Here, like this, you can pick up the color. Okay, then brown, Sana brown carousel. Okay, this is the one. Widget from Sana extension for Elementor. Okay, yeah. Okay, carousel setting. Number of items, let's increase to about 6. Centered. Okay, style. And there is nothing much to change here. That's it. You may want to add hover effect if you want. For example, by default you can reduce the through CSS filter. You can reduce the contrast or something. No, this is not the one. Yeah. On hover you can add the CSS filter again, and yeah, this border color, remove this border color. By default this border color, remove this. Okay, yeah, hover, color, fine, CSS filter. Yeah, border, there should be no border, none. Okay, that's good. Then saturation, reduce the saturation, or contrast. Oh yeah, contrast, this is much better. Then in the hover, set the default value. Then yeah, when someone hover upon these icons, they will be able to see the real icon, real picture, real pixel quality, instead of this low contrast logo. Okay, that's it. Now we are done designing with this home page. For the responsive design, there is not much complicated layout in this website. In this template, we do not use any custom positioning or any other much opaque margin or something like that. So in mobile screen, there is not much to change except for few paddings and typography. For example, here let's see if is there anything we need to change. Bottom nothing. Here, for example, here, yeah, we can copy and paste style on this column, paste style. Yeah, so there is little padding. Padding, advanced. Let's add only on the left about 15 or 20, right about 20 or something like this. Okay, yeah, just like that. Responsive design. In responsive design, what we need to do is adjust the margin, padding, reduce the typography size, or uh, change the column position. For example, if I want to show this column first, go to section setting, responsive, reverse the columns. Okay, reverse the column on mobile, then this second column will be rendered or shown fast. So this is one of the responsive settings here. And the visibility, hiding on desktop, hiding on mobile, this I think are the responsive settings we need to do. Here we, for example, here we can remove the padding, this margin on the left. Yeah, and just like that. If you want, we can add padding to the left and right. Here, advanced, padding left about 20, right about 20, something like that. Same for the others too. If you want, yeah, you can add few paddings on the left and right. Maximum 20 pixels. Here, for example, if it is more than 20 pixels, it is little, yeah, inappropriate. So remove this padding, and yeah, just like that. Here I'm just trying to show you how to add the padding and adjust for the responsive design. Preferably you have to first of all, you have to follow the design principles. You have to align all these elements in the same line, in the same grid. For example, here it is not in the same line, it is not aligned properly, so you have to align them properly. Here, for example, this widget, heading widget, it is not aligned with this text editor widget, so you have to align it. At least you have to add few paddings. For example, margin at the left about 15, so that you can align. Same for this divider. You have to add few padding about 15, so that they can be aligned at the same line. 15 is too much. 10. Same here. 10. Okay, align them. And here there seems to be padding at the right. Remove this. Okay, they are aligned on the right too, so yeah, just like that. You have to align them. Alignment principles. Other than that, as long as you can read the contents properly, you can see the images properly, then we call it 100% responsive. That's what responsive web design means. And if you're especially designed for the mobile phone, then it's different thing. What we are doing now is we design this layout for the desktop screen first, and we just make it responsive and readable, accessible for all mobile screens or all devices. So this is not mobile website, this is not mobile design. So if you are designing for the mobile screen only specifically, then yeah, that's all different things. You cannot follow the same steps. So you have to design from here, starting from the mobile screen. You have to design from this screen. So yeah, if you are interested, you can contact me. You can ping me on WhatsApp or whatever. I will try to help you if you have any needs, problems, issues. Okay. And I have also made few videos about designing mobile websites with WordPress and Elementor. For example, creating mobile headers, mobile navigation, footer, icon navigation, and the likes. I have few videos. You can go to Elementor tips and tricks playlist on my channel and watch them. Yeah. Okay. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you in the next episode.